Let's see. I fabricated.
You fabricate?
I'm a fabricator now.
Okay.
I built some of an airplane. Both this and another top secret Viking skunk works project. I helped with that a little.
Yeah. That looks nice.
Yeah, that wire that's dangling, I'm gonna put some solar panels on top of the wings for them.
Mm-hmm. I don't believe that.
Yeah. Seriously.
And how many hours on this engine then?
This has, since last February, got 240-ish hours on it. Most of that's my son. He's building time going after his ratings.
I was out here looking and you were doing a little bit of maintenance. What do you, some belts and stuff? Or?
I have new 5-point seat belts that I've been putting off forever. And Ivy's, my beautiful assistant / co-pilot / wife, is doing the final adjustment on it.
The belts on the engine.
Thank you. We replaced an alternator belt, basic maintenance. I had a couple little nuts and bolts that were rusty and replaced those. What other basic maintenance? Did the gearbox oil. We hit that at 24 hours and it wasn't even very dirty. A couple other little things that
But all in all, like a lot of flying, not too much maintenance.
yeah, there really isn't much maintenance with this at all.
Where are you guys heading today?
We are going to, thanks to your help on my upgraded fuel tanks last September, we are going to make it nonstop in 3 hours and 18 minutes from Massey Air Park, south of Daytona Beach, to about 35 miles north of Savannah, Georgia.
What do you think about the new belts? A lot of work, looks like.
A lot of work.
A lot of works with the
I
belts.
see why we should have done it before we tried to go.
How you doing? I'm going up north.
Thanks. And just keep all that water over on Ivy's side of the airplane and we'll get there.
Okay. And then fuel pumps on for start.
These things start so much better with fuel and electricity. I had the electricity on, but I didn't have the fuel pumps on, and I'm demonstrating during the Viking aircraft engine how beautiful, smooth, easy to start, and I didn't have the fuel pumps on, and man, I ate crow on that one. But you live and learn.
Live and learn, yeah.
My son's checklist, it should have been a little bit more in depth.
What's next for him now? He's been building hours, And he
Yeah.
wants to do the airlines, right? Like his father?
Yeah, he does. He's been building time in this. Luckily, his girlfriend is a double I. He's been under the hood doing practice RNAV approaches in this, and he should have his commercial instrument in the next month and a half, roughly, and he hopes to be a flight instructor by midsummer.
That's a long cry from. I forgot if he soloed in this one.
He did. He soloed in this last spring. Well, actually, a few days, about a week after the last engine clinic.
Okay.
So he's fast and furious with the hours. He's flying if not every day, every other day when the weather's good.
What we got going on here?
Yeah.
He's got tweezers.
Are you stealing one of the engines?
Of course I'm stealing the engine.
What do you got here?
Why wouldn't I? 175
175 Viking. For what?
for Rand's S21.
All right. Well, good luck. Thank you for the purchase.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for coming to our gathering.
Yeah, definitely. It's great.
Paying for the gas.
Mom and Dad said, you know, if you're happy going, if you're happy going to the community college, you don't have to chase your friends to a four-year school. We will help you get as many ratings as we can afford.
There
So,
you go.
yeah,
So he has a nice setup, plane
Yeah.
and gas, and
Yeah.
just needs to find the time.
it's only $16 an hour to fly it if you're looking at gas. So we're probably getting off lucky, aren't we? This is his.
Yeah.
She's busy setting up the new seatbelt.
But because I'm not in here, I'm taking a wild guess. I'm not sure I moved it at all.
Yeah, first trip with the new seatbelts. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll catch you on the go.
Yeah. Thanks again for having us.
See you guys.
Clear prop.
Yep. This will be our 7th annual gathering at Viking Aircraft Engines for our annual workshop. Here you see Steve Salai with wife, Ivy, approaching and landing. They have been steadfast visitors every year. This airplane has been flown 200 hours since last time it was here. So basically within this last year. Their son is flight training in the airplane, and it has the Viking 175. Alyssa is anticipating 80 people at the gathering starting tomorrow, or actually Saturday, and weather is supposed to be beautiful. Steve and Ivy has now unpacked their airplane, and we've had our traditional first dinner together, and we're just preparing and waiting for the rest of the guests to arrive.